Here's how to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos, and the process will be similar for iOS and Android devices. Open your Instagram app, tap on the plus icon, select post and enable multiple selection option. Now go ahead and select your multiple photos just like so. Tap on next, and here as you can see I've added here multiple pictures. If you want, you can add here a effect and then tap on next, and now tap on add music, and here you will find a bunch of different musics in this suggestion list. You can add any of them from here, or you can search for a specific music using this search music box. Also, you can add a music from your saved list by tapping on saved. Let's add this music for example, and now you can crop the music from here. You can change the post or music length from here, and finally tap on done and tap on share, and the post will be published in your Instagram. Now going to my profile, increasing my volume first of all, and opening the post. So here we can see post add date with multiple photos and music.